Hey guys, what's going on? It's Billy here from the best place to buy gold online. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So just another little update with regards to gold news and basically what's going on. I found this interesting article over on Market Watch. Gold futures settle higher as high-flying dollar stalls. Prices for the yellow metal tap highs above $12.80 an ounce. And gold futures settled higher Wednesday. Rebounding from a nearly 2-week low as a pullback in the US dollar boosted the appeal of the precious metal. Gold for June delivery, GMC M6 is up just over 1%, rose $10.70 or 0.9% to settle at $12.7550 an ounce, while July silver is up 2%, just over $17 an ounce, and the gold-backed SPDR Gold Trust GLD is up just under a percentage, 0.9%. So gold and silver prices had softened recently as the dollar hit a 2-week high against the Japanese yen, after Japanese officials ramped up the rhetoric to keep their currency in check to benefit the Japanese exporters. The ICE U.S. dollar index rose in 6 of the past 7 days, but dipped on Wednesday. Also Wednesday, US equities edged lower as traders had decided to take some chips off the table after a sharp rally. Tuesday said Naeem Aslam, chief market analyst at Think Forex, "We are seeing investors more enthusiastic about precious metal as the risk-off sentiment prevails. There were little new economic or policy drivers for the dollar, which remains unpinned by expectations that the Federal Reserve will likely raise interest rates modestly sometime this year, presumably putting the dollar in higher demand than currencies from lower rate regions. That in turn dulls demand for assets that don't offer a yield." Well, obviously this sentiment keeps going on about the Fed threatening to raise interest rates. They're in a corner. They can't raise interest rates. In doing so, will likely cause inflation, which will kind of get out of control, and it will probably be in a disorderly fashion. And Federal Reserve, yes, they want to meet their inflation expectations and inflation targets, but they want to do it in an orderly fashion. If that means the dollar price of gold has to go higher, so be it. They don't care, as long as that their expectations and their targets for inflation obviously met. Now, obviously, they're probably going to have to settle for nominal growth rather than actual growth, because on this current system we don't actually have any real growth. It's all just fictitious and funny accounting, if you will. Just another thing, obviously, on there that's they're saying obviously dulls demand for assets that don't offer yield. Well, gold's not supposed to offer yield. And if you've seen my previous videos where I show you the risk triangle, obviously the most riskiest assets are at the top of the triangle, and at the bottom sits gold. And as the riskier assets become less and less desirable, the flight continues. Obviously they collapse, and then the flight down and everyone to gold continues. So that's just my quick analysis on this quick article. Quite an interesting article, actually. I'll leave the link in the description below. And as always, I'm open to your thoughts. I want to have this channel as a discussion. Obviously, I know I promote a product which is Legacy Gold, and if anybody is interested in finding more about that, obviously my website is over on my YouTube channel, and obviously in the link in the description below. But I also want to have this channel as a discussion for gold. People that are passionate about gold, and getting the education and getting the knowledge in people's hands, and just getting them to understand that gold is money, and it always has been and it always will be. So yeah, pop your thoughts below in the description. In the comment section below, not in the description. And thank you very much for watching. If you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.